What it do, lovelies? Welcome back to another video. As y'all may know that this world is getting crazier and crazier by the minute. First it was the COVID-19, now it's these riots. So as the system is unjust and unfair, I would like to come to you today to speak up. I wanted to make a video today to share some information that I know that may help someone else out. I want to show a clip of an example if you text a number. So you text that number, justice, and then the actual zip code, and then say justice for Floyd. Any support is grateful and helpful.